Hi everyone, and welcome to this amazing final section that we are going to sum up all our knowledge and learn to explore communication between services and fragments. We are going to create a to-do application, and in this video we will explore the initial project. I have created a new project. And while creating a new project, I have chosen Basic Activity because I'm going to use this fab icon. I simplified the code a little bit. We didn't need that much of details. In fact, we are going to create an application that does add one task to the application and sends the data to the service. As soon as we click on the fab, there will be a function that will add task dialog. We're going to add code in next videos. Our main activity is completely the same. I haven't changed anything inside it. Our content main contains a list view. It's a constraint layout and it just contains one list view and the ID for it. Then we have this dialog fragment, which we have a title and an edit text that you will add the description of your task inside it. It is just one text view and one edit text. I will auto-generate the button for submission in the next video during creating a dialog fragment.